Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. A virus-infected computer can suffer from several problems, including slow performance, instability, and increased security risks. While installing reputable antivirus software is often the best solution for eliminating threats, there are alternative methods that use Windows' built-in protection tools. In this video, I will recommend 4 easy steps to delete all virus from your Windows computer. Let's go. To start the virus removal process, let's use Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, or MRT, a built-in utility designed to detect and eliminate common malware threats. While MRT automatically runs monthly as part of a Windows update, you can manually initiate a scan if you suspect immediate malware activity. To do this, search for MRT, launch the program, and proceed by clicking Next. For a comprehensive system check, choose the full scan option, though be prepared for the scan to take several hours. If you suspect malware in specific directories, a customized scan allows you to target those areas for quicker results. Another tool is Disk Cleanup, a utility designed primarily to free up disk space by eliminating temporary files, system cache, and other unnecessary data. While not a direct virus removal tool, Disk Cleanup can help indirectly by removing potential hiding places for viruses and malware, as these threats often reside within temporary files or system directories. To access Disk Cleanup, press Windows+R, type clean mgr, and hit Enter. Within the configuration panel, select all temporary files and confirm the cleaning process by choosing Clean Up System Files. For a thorough system scan, use Microsoft Defender Antivirus, a security software built into Windows that performs a comprehensive scan of all files, folders, and drives, including the often overlooked system files and registry, to detect even the most hidden malware. To initiate a scan, search for Virus and Threat Protection. Navigate to Scan Options, and select Full Scan. Note that this process scans a wide range of file types, from executable programs to documents and compressed files, to ensure that no part of the system is left unchecked. As a last resort for stubborn malware infections, consider resetting your Windows system. This process effectively restores your computer to its factory default state, eliminating persistent threats that may have evaded traditional antivirus software. If you're unfamiliar with the Windows reset process, I recommend watching another video where I provide a detailed step-by-step guide. You can click the tag in the top right corner of this video or find the link below. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.